Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is the pick of Nothing Wire, and today I am at the grand launch of Honor 9N. So this is the new Honor 9N in front of you. It looks quite premium, although it has been launched in a budget category. So this starts from a price range of only 11,999. In this video, we'll check out the first look of Honor 9N. So guys, this is the all new Honor 9N in front of you. You can see the looks are very premium in a budget category smartphone. It looks really pretty. The hashtag says no ordinary beauty, and the phone is really beautiful. The back is a glass and it's a 12-layer glass protection, so don't worry about the toughness. It is quite tough and handy. It fits really well in the hand. It's a massive 5.84 inches screen with a full view display and a HD plus screen. It has a 2.5D curved glass, and you can also see the notch in which the earpiece and the front camera is properly fitted in. Looks quite premium. There's a very good feature right now which has been introduced in Honor 9N, that if you are not a big fan of notch, you can actually make it notch free. Like, you know, the moment you click that option, the side screen also becomes black, so the notch does not appear. In that case, the phone aspect ratio becomes 18:9, and with the notch it becomes 19:9. So it's good to use it in a full view display like this. So overall the looks are great. If we see on the top, we get a 16 megapixel front shooter. So this is a camera centric phone, so front shooter camera is really nice. And then on the top you have this mic. Bottom there's a micro USB charging port. So there's a speaker grill, the mouthpiece, and the 3.5mm audio jack. Here's the SIM tray slot. At the back there's this fingerprint sensor which can be used for multiple purposes, to pick up calls, obviously to unlock the screen, and to switch off the alarms, and many other things as well. Then there is this dual camera setup, 13+2 megapixel with the LED flash, and power button and the volume rocker are here. After this, we talk of the screen. The colors are really vibrant. Touch response is really good. It runs on EMUI 8.0 and Android version 8.0. This particular handset which I am reviewing is a 4GB plus 64GB variant, although there are other variants of 332 plus 4 plus 128GB variant as well, and the price differs accordingly. Battery is 3000 mAh, which is pretty decent for a one-day long usage on average. This is the back camera, 13+2 megapixel. You can click good bokeh effect pictures with it, and these are all the modes. You get a pro mode as well. You can shoot high resolution videos very easily. Let's come to the front camera. So the front camera is the highlight of this phone. You can see the skin tone is so good. Just see the colors of the skin tone. It looks really nice. It's a 16 megapixel front shooter. You can click portrait selfies also. And then there is a moving picture option, and these are the modes in the front camera. Yeah, so let's take a selfie. Why not? So I just took a selfie. I am really liking the colors. It is not at all oversaturated. As per me, I love Honor phones because of their design and the looks especially. This time the camera is also quite strong, and the thing which I forgot was the colors which have been launched in this particular Honor 9N. One is the Sapphire Blue. This is the best blue in all the phones I have seen, but this time in Honor 9N there are two more colors which have been launched with a totally new which is Lavender Purple, and the other one is Rego Egg Blue. The Egg Blue is my favorite. I'll post some pictures with that color as well. If you follow me on my Instagram or my other social handles, you'll find that color in the pictures. So this is a Flipkart exclusive phone and will be available from 31st of July 12 noon. This is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.